In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions and restrictions in Monday.com, whether you're managing a small team or coordinating across departments. Ensuring the right people have the right level of access is crucial. Let's dive into this process to make your workflow more efficient and secure. First, we need to start by navigating to the Monday.com website. Open your preferred web browser and enter Monday.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Login. This will direct you to the login screen where you have multiple options to sign in. For simplicity and convenience, let's choose the Google option. Click on Google and select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure it's the account linked to your Monday.com projects. With your account ready to go, it's time to move on to your board. Find your way to the specific board you want to adjust permissions for. You can do this by navigating through your dashboard until you see the board. Once located, click on it to open the board. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find three small dots. These represent the menu for additional options. Go ahead and click on these dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Permissions. Click on Permissions to open the permissions settings for your board. This section is where the magic happens. It's where you can define who can see, edit, or manage specific aspects of your boards, allowing you to tailor the access to meet the specific needs of your team or project. Now, you can set the various permissions and restrictions for your board. This might include specifying who can view the board, who can edit items, or perhaps manage other team members' access. Take your time to carefully configure these settings to ensure that each team member has just the right level of access needed to perform their role without overexposure to sensitive information. Once you've finished configuring the permissions to your exact specifications, remember to save your changes. There will be a Save button in the settings area. Click on this to ensure that all your adjustments are applied and that the board reflects the new permissions. And just like that, you've successfully configured permissions and restrictions on your Monday.com board. This process not only enhances team productivity by allowing the appropriate levels of access, but also ensures that your projects remain secure and organized. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features to enhance your team's collaboration on Monday.com.